Hey guys, like I promised, fried plantain, soya meat, and then black eye beans with oil. Yes, guys, so please don't forget to subscribe and like. Yes, so we're on our challenge 4,000 watch hour. Please try to watch till the end. As you can see, I've cooked it very well for you guys. So let's go ahead and season in the meat. We got coriander, chicken stock, black pepper, and white pepper mixed there. Then with stock seasonings and then lamb seasonings. Then we got garlic here and ginger. So I'm gonna mix this now together. This is what I call my mix seasonings. You see, you just mix them like this. A combination, it's nice. You can go ahead and use any kind of seasoning resonate with your kitchen. Guys, as you can see, I grate a lot of meat and fish. It doesn't mean that I'm cooking it in one go. This will last me for a month because I only have time to do it in one go, and the smell, I don't like it in the house. So I only do it once a month. Then I'll be using it as I'm cooking every day or every week. Yes, guys. So I'm going to grill it with 150 degrees so that it grill really nice and crunchy, just like so. As you can see how it looks really brown and then juicy inside. Hey, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Makagwo. As you know, we're on the 4,000 watch hour challenge, guys. Please support and share and comment if you can, guys, please. So today, like I promised on the other video I upload on Saturday morning, it wasn't clear, so I promise that I'm gonna make another fresh one. So this is it with my own camera, guys. So as you can see, I'll be frying the plantain later for you guys, and this is the meat, is already grilled, and this is the white onions, baby plum, red onions, the big chili, green and the red. So this is all I'm going to use. Yeah, guys, so please don't forget to subscribe and like. Watch till the end, guys. Please watch till the end. And this is my leftover seasonings that if you would like to use prawns or with vegetable, you can go ahead. Look at that meat. It's juicy, juicy, juicy. Ooh, very nice, guys. So this meat I bought two, it cost me like £24. Yeah, it's the good meat. Guys, I'm going now along with the onions first because that baby plum, it's not hard to cook. So I'm going with the onions. Just going along with 1 spoon meat seasonings, lamb, beef seasonings, and all-purpose seasonings, and with coriander. I want your onions to cook really quick. It's good with all the seasonings. Yeah, that way it helps to cook it very quick. So you just stir. Chili and then red chili. Because I'll be using my chili already made. It's really seasoned really well, so I don't want to put magic cube. But if you're using your magic cube, just taste. If you need more, then you go along with it, guys. Yeah, so you can see how this is looking green, guys. Ooh. We eat spicy in this house, guys. Yeah, you see, there's no oil, only 1 spoon we need to cook overcook. So I'm going along with the plum, baby plum, multiple colors. So easy to cook as well, very easy to cook. You just keep stirring. So I'm going to go along now with the chili, my spicy. Nearly finished. I'm going along with one. It's really spiced, so that's why I don't want to put Maggi, because the meat is already spiced very well. You don't want too much salt. And I've already used the seasonings as well. So let's don't make it too salty, it's not nice. Put the meat. You see that baby plum is already cooking. I'm going along and put the meat. Soya meat, guys, very nice and spicy. I'm leaving this small one for the beans later on. Guys, this is ready. I'm just gonna put it aside and cook the beans for you guys. Then I'll show you how to fry the plantain. It's ready, it's ready. So guys, welcome back. Like I said, I promise I'll cook the beans and the soya meat, which I've already cooked. So these are all the ingredients you need when you want to cook the beans. All you do, you just wash and then pour cold water and leave it to boil. When you use cold water, it boiled quickly, like 30 minutes. It boiled and cooked really fast. Within 45 minutes is cooked. Yeah, with the black eye beans. So it's really easy to cooperate with this black eye beans. If you want to blend your chili and onions, you can blend it. If you don't want to blend it, you can just slice it like that, or you can use the two and combine to cook with oil or palm oil, which I'm going to show you. I've already cooked the palm oil on the other video that I made, but the last two videos, they were not clear, so this is why I'm cooking them again, just to show you how it looks with my camera when it's clear. So if you want to use meat or prawns or chicken or fish, you can, but for today's topic, I'm just gonna use meat because it's easy and grilled. That's what I have with me now. Yes, then the palm oil black eye beans, anyway, it's fish I use to cook with that. You can go ahead and watch it as well. Yes guys, so as you can see, I've poured just a little bit of palm oil, like 50 ml of palm oil. So I'm going along with the sliced onions and chili. Yeah. I'm just going to go along with the leftover seasonings. I will name it down below, guys, if I don't forget. Too much writing to do, guys. So anytime when you want your onions, chili, tomato to cook really quick, use this method. Put the seasonings, it makes it cook quicker. Yes guys. Tomato as well, you can use the water, or if you want, you can use the plum on itself. It's all good. Yeah. And then one chicken stock with my dry powder fish. I'm run out of my prawns. I'm just gonna cover it now and leave it to cook. Just going to add the beans now. Basically the beans need base, because you don't want it dry when you're eating it, so you need base, guys. The beans need base, you see. When you're cooking beans, you need the base. And then also, if you want to crunch the beans, you can go ahead, but if you want it to look like this, yeah, you can just leave it like this. My chili sauce, or the spice with this. We don't eat too much meat in this house, you know. You might see me grilling lots of meat, but I don't cook lots. As you can see, the small amounts I put in here. Yeah. And sometimes when I grill my meat, it lasts me for months because I'll put some. Look, I even left some here. It's really, guys, with the dry fish powder, it's really nice. Mine doesn't have no sand because I make it myself when I go home to give me all the taste I need in my food, so I won't use lots of meat when I'm cooking or spice. Guys, it's ready. That's it. Yeah. That sweet chili taste really nice. Yeah, that's it. It's ready, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me fry the plantain now for you guys. I'll put this aside and fry the plantain for you next now. Hello, guys. As you can see, the plantain, you don't need the rep one. I've washed it now. You don't need the rep one. You need the one like just looking like this, not too rep. So when you fry it, you get all that crunchiness and nice. So I'm going to show you how to do it now, guys. So stay tuned. If possible, use clean oil to fry your plantain. You don't need a lot. 500 ml is enough. Ways how to slice it. Some people like doing it this way. I like doing it this way. I like this shape. I think it makes it look nice. Thing is fried, we put it there. So it's ready now. This is the temperature you need. So guys, you can go along and then flip the plantain to the other side. Each 5 minutes you do that. Don't forget the heat. All you do, you just flip until you see that it's brown to your perfection, and then you take it out. If you want it a little bit browner than this, you leave it. All you have to do, just keep flipping it around. Yeah, you flip it over just like so until you think it's brown. You can see the difference, that and that when it's cooked. Voila, that's your fried plantain in 10 minutes. It's done, guys. Just enjoy your soya fried stir meat and then your black eye beans with oil. So this is day 2. We got 4 more coming up, guys. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment.